Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a little sweater that I got here from Fioboc, and they make a lot of nice, comfortable stuff. Actually, this is what I got right now. I just got as well. And I'll show you guys this here, and this is what it looks like here. It's a knit sweater right there, so it looks good. It's I guess a grayish kind of color, colorblind, so I'm not exactly sure. It says machine wash and tumble dry, so that's good. So you can totally wash it with stuff. And it's not ridiculously thick, so you could wear it in an office and not be sweating your butt off or anything. But let's try it on. I'm going to try it on. I'll take off my shirt here. And I am about 190 pounds and about 5'10", so that'll give you an idea of the fit. So let's put this on. And it's got it's a nice fit. It's a good fit. It's got a little bit of tightness to it. Sorry, my pants are coming off, but you see, but it's got a good fit to it. The arms are just the right length. I can put my arms out, and you can see they're not coming up on me at all. It looks like do one of those. But it's got a good cuff on the arm. It's got a good collar, too. It's got the good Crewneck collar. And it's good. It fits good, and the length is really nice. So it looks like a really nice sweater, for sure. If I have to dress a little nicer this winter, which I will, I'll be wearing this. So I'm trying to dress a little nicer instead of wearing t-shirts all the time. So this will make me look fancy and cool. So how cool is that? So it looks really good. I like it. It's good fit. Size large, and I'm about 190 right now. Hoping to lose another 20 pounds or so, but get the idea. It's really good. Thumbs up for sure.